What do deaf people's thoughts sound like? Have you ever wondered? Here's the crazy part. Many deaf people don't hear thoughts like a voice at all. Some deaf people think in pictures, like a movie playing in their mind. Others think in sign language, literally imagining their hands signing. And yes, they still think in language. If they learn sign language early, their brain uses that. If they learn to read and write, some think in words like silent subtitles. Even hearing people don't all think the same way. Some people don't have an inner voice either. So what do deaf people's thoughts sound like? Sometimes they don't sound like anything. They look like images, signs, or words.